Hope you're fine. Today again I'm with you and I have come here to do page number 27 from Junior English Book 1, and today's topic what we are doing, that is plurals. Plurals, I think you know, singular means one and plural means more than one. Here see it's written one pony, two ponies, one pony, that time it's called singular, and two ponies, this is plurals. Here one daisy, in this place two daisies, here it is singular because one, and here more than one, that's why this is called plurals. So in this place it is written to make the words pony and daisy plural mean more than one, we change the y to I before adding es. Like pony, what we can do, we are changing its y into I, and after that we are adding es. Same things we are doing, see, in this place when we are going to make its plural, what we are doing, we are changing the y into I, and after that we are adding es. So just keep remember these rules, and following this rule we will do some exercises and then it will be clearer for you. So let's start. First exercise here, a number exercise, it's written. Now do the same with these words which end with y. It means fly, a swarm of what? Flies. We are changing its y into I, see, and after that we are adding just es. Same thing we will follow rest of the words or rest of the exercises. Here see, pony to ponies, see, y has become I, and after that we are using es. Puppy, a litter of puppies. Berry, a cluster of berries. Daisy, a chain of daisies. Spy, several spies. Story, a book of what? A book of stories. Fairy, many fairies. 9 number, baby, 4 babies. I'm changing the y into I, then adding yes. 10 number, lady, a few ladies. Now we are going to do B number exercise. The question is, use the words you have made to fill these gaps. In this place, 1 number, holly, dash or red when they are ripe. What can we put in this place? We can put here berries. Berries are red when they are ripe. 2 number, young dash are fed on milk. Young who? Young babies. Young babies are fed on milk. 3 number, here our corgi had 4 dash today. Here it will be 4 puppies. Next one, 4 number, 3 dash were grazing in the field. We can write in this place what? We can write here ponies. 3 ponies. 3 ponies were grazing in the field. 5 number, David likes to read dash about animals. What we can write here? David likes to read stories about animals. 6 number, the dash used hidden cameras. Here we can put spies. The spies used hidden cameras. 7 number, several dash were buzzing around the jam. Several what? Several flies. Flies were buzzing around the jam. 8 number, do you believe in dash? Do you believe in what? We can write, do you believe in fairies? Now it's our turn to do C number exercise. Here it's written, make these words plural. City, same rule we will follow. That is, we will change the Y into I, and after that we will add ES. So let's start. Here it will be cities, then party will be parties, then lorry will be lorries, hobby will be hobbies, butterfly will be butterflies. So today I have done another page, and that is the page number 27, and today we have done the topic that is plurals, and we have done this topic from Junior English Book 1. Next we will do page number 28 from this book, and that is more plurals. Bye for today.